The next pose is we're going to be using the wedge to stretch out our insteps. We're going to put the foot in 3 different positions. So watch my heels, how they align. Hang on to the bar. Place your right leg behind you and have the top of the foot on the floor. Left leg is in front of you. Tuck your tailbone under. Make sure that your right heel points straight up. Lengthen through the crown of the head and slowly bend both knees and straighten through your left leg. When you do this, most of the body weight is on your left leg, and when you straighten the left leg, you should feel a stretch on the instep of your right foot. Do a couple of those, then stay low, both knees are bent, press the top of the foot, the right foot onto the wedge, and pretend that you're pulling the wedge forward. That will engage the muscles and you create some strength through the joint that we just opened. And then release the tension from the right foot, straighten the left leg. Position the right foot with the heel pointing out, toes pointing in, making sure that the pelvis stays forward. 3 repetitions of bending and extending. Try to flatten the top of the right foot against the wedge. Tuck your tailbone when you're coming up. Hold the last position, both knees are bent. The top of the foot is on the wedge. And pretend that you're pulling the wedge forward. If you cramp in, lighten up, come on out, take a walk, and reset. And the third position for the instep stretch is you're going to keep the wedge a little bit to the side, turn it sideways, and turn the heel in, the toes out. If there is a lot of tightness in the instep, the hip wants to run out. So take your hip back, have it facing towards your board. Hang on to the board, bend your knees, and straighten the legs. Make sure that the right heel is going to stay in, pointing towards the midline of the body. One more time. And the last time you bend your left knee, press the top of the foot onto the wedge and pull the wedge forward. Nothing is going to move, you're just engaging all those muscles. Breathe through and lengthen through both legs. Tuck the tailbone under and lengthen through the spine. And then slowly kick that leg, kick that wedge behind you. Take the foot back. Press the right heel down, bend the left knee, so you will do a counter stretch and stretch your Achilles tendon on the right. And before you go any further, repeat all those steps